Hey everyone, it's Miss Shelby, and today I'm going to be taking you through this virtual lesson that I created. So, today we're going to be going through the lesson of solving real world problems, and this lesson is especially targeted to first grade students. So, we're going to go through it. So, on this slide here, I have two bookshelves, one with things that I love and things I'm interested, but then the second one on the right is different books that kind of like symbolize the different books that I found on Amazon that could help you guys learn this lesson. There's a few on there that are workbooks, and then there are some there that kind of just like explain how to solve like real world problems. And then on the left bookshelf, I have things that I love on here. So I have a record player on here because I love to collect records and just listen to music in general. And then I have an apple on there because I love fruit, but then also I feel like an apple is the fruit that kind of like symbolizes teaching. And so that's also kind of a reason I put that on there. And then on the top shelf, I have a coffee cup just because I love coffee. And then in the middle, I have kind of this inspirational poster that says "Don't quit" and it has a cat hanging from a rope on it. I love animals and I just thought that was really cute and that you guys would like it too. And so now we're going to go to the next slide. So I'm going to read off the learning objectives for this lesson. So students will be able to solve real-world addition and subtraction problems within 20 by adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, and comparing with unknown present throughout the addition and subtraction problems. And then here are some learning activities that I created that I thought you guys would love because one of the best ways I like to learn new things is by actually like practicing, and why not make the practice fun? And so here I have a Jeopardy that you guys could do. It has like different real world word problems that you guys could do, and it has like the different places. So we have examples for like at the store or at the park or even like at your home. And then I also have a crossword puzzle here too, if you guys would like to do a crossword puzzle to kind of go along with this. And for like the crossword puzzle, it has the questions kind of at the bottom, and then you kind of get to like fill in the answer in the crossword puzzle, which I think is really cool. And so also here I have another virtual lesson that kind of just like goes through. So I found one online. It says real world math word problem partner rotations, and I'm also just gonna look at that and we're gonna go through that. So here's the website. So, kind of about this lesson, because I thought I would read it to you guys just so you can get a better understanding of what this lesson is and what you're doing. So, you will be working together in groups to solve five different real-world math problems. You'll spend 7 to 10 minutes on each word problem before moving on to the next problem. You're expected to read each word problem with your partner and work together to find the answer. You'll be expected to include your answer in the addition and subtraction equation used to find the answer and any work that was done to complete the answer. So I just thought that was cool, and also just shares kind of like the resources that they used in the different like reviews. And go back to our screen. Okay, and then to end it off, I have this last slide here that I moved to kind of the end because I'm going to attach this video to the slideshow so you can go back and kind of just like look at it and kind of just gather more information. I know it's helpful for me if I'm confused on anything to just hear what like my teacher said and just see how she did it. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for listening to me and letting me teach you more about how to solve real world math problems and give you the resources to learn. So, yeah, thank you.